Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about power clipping more than one at a time, or save you a few steps. To power clip this picture into this frame, and it is Sunday, and I just picked this picture just by chance, I guess, and go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and then put it in your frame, it'll power clip it. But then if you had four things to power clip, you would have to do that 4 times. Well, I think it started with X6. We're going to take all 4 of these and we're going to group them together with Control G. And right here, if you go up to your empty spot and right click, there's a little flyout called Layout, and you're going to get a layout little menu. Right here is a power clip frame. So we're going to hit this, and now it's enabled us to power clip all these. Then you could actually take these and ungroup them, but they're still power clips. And that easily, you can power clip these into there. And if you notice, I'm not even trying, but I'm not trying to put them in the center, but it's trimming off my picture into a power clip. And you can always, like a normal power clip, you can always go and edit the power clip and change it around to where you want to put it, and then just click that. So if you had to power clip a bunch of things into different frames, you could group them together and use this layout menu, and this will work for one frame or multiple frames. See, like right here, these are still grouped together, and it highlight. If you don't have anything selected, this isn't highlighted. But let's just ungroup these and go to Control U, and that lights up. So I could still make that a power clip frame and put it one at a time. So you could have this setting here regardless of what you're doing. It would help you power clip. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.